Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. My name is L. Vasant Kumar from 10th class. My tuition name is Lokshit Tutorial. Today my seminar topic is coordination, the linking system. Coordination is nothing but in our body the different system is known as coordination. In the coordination first we know about stimulus and response. Stimulus is known as integrating part of and the habituate of external and internal environment is known as stimulus, and response is known as against of stimulus internal or external environment is known as response. Types of nerves: efferent nerves and association nerves. Efferent nerve is known as incoming nerve. The nerve transmission occur body parts to brain, and the efferent nerve is outgoing nerve. This brain to body parts, the nerve transformation will occur, and association nerve is nothing but the combination of efferent nerve and efferent nerve is known as the association nerve. Types of nerve system: central nerve system, peripheral nerve system, and the autonomous nerve system. Central nerve system is known as brain, and spinal cord is known as central nerve system. Peripheral nerve system is known as the nerve transmission between brain and spinal cord is known as peripheral nerve system, and the autonomous nerve system is known as the combination of sympathetic and parasympathetic is known as the autonomous nerve system. And the receptors is nothing but the sense of smell will be defined is known as receptors, and effectors is known as agonist of stimulus and responding is known as effectors. And the structure of nerve cell: the nerve cell contains cell body, axon and dendrites. Cell body contains star-like structure. It contains middle of the nucleus and missile granules. It contains head of the body, thread-like structure. It is dendrites. The dendrites is known as nerve transmission and nothing but nerve cell. And the axon will stick-like structure, and it contains myelin sheath with the help of muscles, and it contains node of Ranvier. It is will be nerve transmission, nothing but transformation of information occur in our body, brain to spinal cord, spinal to in our body parts. And the parts of autonomous nerve system: sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic we discuss now one. Sympathetic means relaxation of organs, and parasympathetic means contraction of organs. It is the combination of autonomous nerve system. And next, the story of insulin. The story of insulin means insulin is the vaccine for the sugar diabetes. The once upon a time in the 1868, the Paul Langerhans is discovered the insulin, but he discovered half only. He observed the pancreas. The pancreas is releasing more sugar. It is chance to sugar diabetes. And the 1912, the bantening is created. The more sugar diabetes insulin. It is the succeed of the insulin. And the spinal cord location is lumbar region. Back of stomach is known as lumbar region. It will be transmit the information to the brain, and the brain contain three parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain contain optic lobes, cerebrum, and dendrocephalon. The optic lobe is useful for sense of smell. Sense of smell will be useful for optic lobes, and cerebrum contain inner feelings, thinking, reasoning, proofing. Respect structures are occurring in the cerebrum. And the dendrocephalon is useful for the physical activities. And the midbrain contain olfactory lobes. Olfactory lobes is nothing but sight and hearing, and it contain very sight and hearing will be observe any object. And the hindbrain contain voluntary movements. Any work will be voluntary. And the medulla oblongata systems means respiratory system, cardiac system, endocrine system. These systems are occur in the presence of medulla oblongata. And the mechanism in plants: in the mechanism of plants, phototropism, chemotropism, thigmotropism, hydrotropism, and geotropism. These are useful for plants. First, geotropism is useful for the plant produce in the presence of gravity is known as geotropism. Thigmotropism is known as the plant produce in the presence of touching. Hydrotropism is known as the plant will produce in the presence of water. And next, phototropism is known as the plant will be produced in the presence of sunlight is known as phototropism. And chemotropism is known as the plants will produce in the presence of chemicals. It is the mechanism of plants, and it is necessary for plants and plant production in humans. The human ecosystem is very useful for in our environment. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.